So I'm off the GoPro, back on the Cena. So this is the problem with the GoPro. Let's have a bit of a chat about the GoPro. What's going on here? Oh, I lost the wheel. Anyway, Wangaratta Wodonga straight ahead. I'm back on the Cena. So this is the GoPro setup that I've got with the jaws to hang on. Okay, it doesn't clear the windscreen. But look at it shake around, and I don't know. I haven't had a chance to use it in Melbourne, in the suburbs. It's been raining. The other problem I have with it is that there's just too much road noise. Now I've tried putting the wind, etc., on it, whatever. So the only way I can talk and use the GoPro at the same time is to wire a hard mic to it. Now to wire the hard mic to it, you've got to buy the media pack, versus this thing. It sits on the outside of it. That's fine. Okay, fair enough. You've got to buy the media pack. But it's not waterproof now. See, this camera now is not waterproof with the media pack on it. Which is a bit of a drama actually. Like I can't always leave it on the bike. You know, I just can't leave it up on the bike in all weather conditions. So when it starts to rain, I've got to pull over and take the camera off and put it in the bags, which is a really big blow. I've tried Bluetoothing it to the Cardo. Now, when you Bluetooth it to the Cardo, at this distance, I hope you guys can see that, at this distance, there's a delay in talking. Also there's a lot of crackling, like a lot of breaking. You know, the thing breaks up. Voice-wise it breaks up. So, but when I took it and gaffed it to the helmet near the Bluetooth, there was only a little bit of a delay, not that much, no more crackling, no more whatever. So, and the voice was really clear. Okay, so if I've got the media thing off without the hardwired mic to the Bluetooth, it'll be crackling now. You won't be able to hear my voice clearly. If I took it off here, stuck it onto the helmet, took the media pack off, put it to the Bluetooth of the Cardo, it would be there'll be still that time delay there. Now I've got an old Cardo too. I don't know, with the Edge or whatever, the ones that are worth $1,100 may work better with the mesh. How much do we have to spend to use a GoPro, you know? That's my other dilemma I've got. Anyway, let's get back to the bike now. Nearly 174,000. I've got another 20 k's to go before I hit it. Touch wood, she's running really well. And yeah, I'll give you a look at the tyres, the Michelin GT6s. After I get to Benalla, I'll do a little bit of review on those tyres. Those tyres would have nearly hit 16,000. By the time I get home, I think those tyres would have had 16,275 on them. Now I know the front can go to 20. 21. The rear, I don't want to go past 18.5 because they're right down to the button. So that's not too bad. And also you've got to keep in mind how much weight the bike carries. You know, it usually carries 140 kilos including me loaded up. Now the bike's only carrying 87 kilos and 14. So that's not too bad. The fuel economy is fantastic at the moment. With all the less weight. A beautiful day out here on the Hume Highway. 74 k's out of Wodonga. Albury, sorry. And I'm going to Albury because I need to pay a speeding fine. and pick up $7.40 in Tats Lotto winnings because I'm not registered. But good excuse for a ride. Yeah, the fine hurts, but it would have hurt more if he decided to charge me the full amount, which the guy was really good about it. You know, I find the cops on the highways in New South Wales are, you know, pretty good. Yeah, they are pretty good. Very aggressive in South Australia. Not happy chappies. In Victoria, God help ya. I haven't been all over in Queensland, so I can't tell you about Queensland or the Northern Territory. Not yet anyway. But that's about it. Alright guys, let's just go. I'm not going to bore you any longer. Like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll get some feedback about the GoPro Hero. I know what the Cena Cam like. Cena Cam 2 Beechworth. Where are we now? Falls Creek. Mount Offham. We'll be heading up there in January, but too cold at the moment. Alright guys, have a good one.